Hello everybody, it's Matt and I wanted to show you my Minecraft world. I've cobbled together a streaming computer, sort of, with a 8-year-old laptop and lots of hope. Anyways, sorry, no windscreen on the microphone and a lot of other things, but hopefully it's going to work okay for us. Anyways, this is Minecraft 1.1.6 and I'm going to check to make sure the audio is working. Yes, okay, the audio is working this time. And I am using the SEUS Renewed shaders, which is SEUS Renewed, and they make Minecraft look like this with lighting effects and water and all kinds of extra things. But this is my first house. I built it the first night I was here. Didn't look like this. It was a bunch of dirt blocks to protect me from the baddies because at nighttime things are very bad around here. So I'm going to show you my 3 homes I have. We have over here, we have some wheat. And then we have the piggies. And we have carrots. And then over here we have my house in the crevasse right down there with all the windows with a beautiful view of the red hot magma right there. And so we will continue on to the second house, which is across the prairie by the shore. And I'll show you why it's quite a ways away. So at nighttime, you don't want to be crossing the prairie at night because you usually will be intercepted by the baddies and then you die. And that can ruin your entire day. So due to boredom, I've fixed that problem and I'll show you that in a bit. So we're going to trek across the prairie here. Make sure you cut down these things because then you grow wheat. I don't know why they call them wheat seeds, but they don't look like wheat right now, but those are wheat seeds. And you can also attract chickens with them, with the seeds and other stuff. Notice I don't have any sheep left. That's because I accidentally killed them all, and they haven't respawned. So here's my shore house. Here's my pier, and we'll go out here so you can see a view of the shore house. The lighting is wonderful. As you can see, it goes right down to the water line and below. That's pretty cool. I don't know what's in the cave. I haven't been in there yet. But out here is an island with more red hot magma, which I have not been to yet. I just built a pier out to it. Still learning how to build things in straight lines over gigantic empty areas. And I haven't perfected that yet because I keep on falling in. Once again, nothing is structurally load bearing in Minecraft, so you can pretty much build anything you want because it's a computer program. And as long as you've occupied a space with the value you want, it's going to do it. It's not going to complain. So you can do things like floating stairwells and stuff and gigantic glass walls holding back lots of water, which is pretty cool. In the morning, this is a very neat look. I put architectural columns in here, but in reality, you don't need any columns to hold up anything because once again, it's a computer program and then it just takes a space and occupies it with whatever value you want, be it air or rock or grass or whatever. It doesn't pretty much care. Anyways, so this is the third house, and like I said, I was bored, and I wanted to connect all of my houses so I didn't have to run across the prairie at night because that's bad. So I built some tunnels. However, in Minecraft, everything on the x-axis needs to go in one direction. You don't want to go diagonal on the x-axis because it makes you dizzy and it's not very easy. So everything is a straight line. So there's no squiggles. So we go down the stairs and listen to the baddies and go down this really long hallway. If you hold down the shift key, you run, sort of. And then the really neat parallax effect takes place. That's crouch, all right? And then we run. And then we go down some stairs. Stairs. Yes. And that's down here. We go another length of hallway. This is all to avoid the baddies. Plus, it's pretty cool, and I was bored, and I wanted to connect to the 3 houses. There's a dark area down there. Don't go down there. We come over here. And then this area is interesting. I like this area because here you can look up, and then you can look down, and then you look down there. That's pretty cool. Yeah, that's pretty neat. Anyways, come upstairs. Over here is a little landing. I marked it with torches. There you go. And here's some more red hot magma. Not the same. This is different magma. And there's some water and a hole. Watch out for the hole. And let me come up the stairs. Sorry, no one's screening the microphone. And there's a door. Always put a door at your mines because then you don't have visitors you don't want. And then this is the cliffside house with the really gigantic, cool windows. I like these windows, so you can view the magma. And the windows are really cool. You can stand back and look at ooh, that is a nice view. Nice screenshots too. I hauled this area out because I was bored and it looks cool when you do it that way. Make sure you put up a lot of torches. If you don't put the torches up, then the bad things spawn and they try to kill you. And that's no good. So we have different levels. Oop, fell down. Yep, back up. And from up here, once again, more screenshots because it looks really cool. Ooh. I even changed the color temperature of the torches because I didn't like the other color. Whoops, I fell down the stairs. Oh well, we have more stairs. No stair rails. Sorry, no handrails. Not ADA compliant at all. Up here is this is the first, of course, this is the first part of the cliffside house I built, and then I built down. But I also put windows over here because windows are just cool, and you get to look out. When it rains in this game, the reflections off the ground and the grass is just really cool because you have reflections of water and the sky, and it's pretty neat. And the other effects are pretty neat too. Here is the crevasse over here, and then over here. And then here is a pathway to my first house, which we started at. Don't forget the doors. Doors are important. There's a pig. I don't know why there's a pig over there. Come through here. Close your door. And here we are at the first house with the submerged lake, which is getting dark, so you can't see it very well. And then down here, there's my first mining expeditions, and here's a big spooky area, which you shouldn't go into because they'll die. But anyways, that is my Minecraft house. I'll go out here and quickly show you where we started, but I'll go back inside because it's dark and there's creepy things out there already. And here's what Minecraft looks at night, and the lighting effects are pretty cool. So we'll come over here just for your benefit. You can look inside. And then we'll come over here and try not to fall in the hole and see the cliffside house at night. Ooh. Uh-oh. Okay, that's the sound of badness. Uh-oh, there's a zombie. Run away from the zombie. All right. Okay, close the door. Anyways, that's my Minecraft house. Hope you've enjoyed my little tour and my first experience at trying to record screen captures from a very old laptop running Minecraft. Hope you all have a good night and talk to you later. Now let me go figure out how to turn this off. Let me see. I got to do this. And then I go ahead and fade to black. Ooh, haven't said that in a long time. All right, fade to black. And then I stop the recording. Bye-bye.